American Biochar Company shipped down to the island of Loganoff biochar and a biochar blend soil amendment. This was delivered in 2018 and 19, where it was then stockpiled until Mark and I were able to get down there to help them work with the soils that were in such bad shape. These soils are compacted, full of clay, and has very little organic matter processing through. So, myself and my husband, Mark Mann, began to show them how to incorporate the soil amendments, the biochar and the biochar with humate. Later, we also then shipped down some compost bins that we recently showed them how to utilize by building layer upon layer of organic matter, blended in with other materials, including
bulky brown, shredded brown, green.
brown layers, green layers, biochar. We also had manure.
We did it out of order last time, but who cares? Plants don't care. Hello.
The different layers were designed to help them see how organic matter could be produced by blending also the biochar. Now, the manure could be gotten from different things like chickens and donkey or goat that roamed around all the time. They did not have a deficiency in that.
So I couldn't figure out why they laughed every time I said muy caca. It's because I was saying it backwards. Instead of saying donkey poo, I was saying poo donkey.
The Haitians were excited and understood what was the importance of these layers and were so hopeful. It was very exciting and very heart-touching to see how they jumped into this and how they will be using the other compost pens.
Are we done? Fanny?
Come now, we'll show you something.
Fanny? Thank you! Yay! Woo! Yay!
The intent is to create an environment where plants can grow and grow in abundance. To not just feed these people, but to also give them an economic opportunity. One of those economic opportunities is that they are now growing coffee on the island. They're also growing moringa and other crops. Would you please help them donate to the Life Garden Coffee Fund and or to the agricultural project on starfish? That's who we paired up with. And you're welcome to contact us as well for more information. Thank you.